Good evening, Coffee House Porcupine here. Everybody loves fireworks, right? You see them on the 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day. Other countries see them on other days where they have holidays. Yeah, everybody loves fireworks. Well, what I did was I dug back through my archives and I found a fireworks display that was at Frawley Stadium here in Wilmington, Delaware. It was taken in 2009 and I filmed them from my car. In other words, I wanted to get out of the parking lot quick because it was filled to capacity that night. So I shot the fireworks in my car and you'll get to see them here on the green screen. So no further ado, I'm going to pop out of the picture. And 1, 2,